want to see you suffer, but they will see you succeed. This individual is very fixated on some sort of downfall that they have been plotting on to see occur in your life, unfortunately. They are very threatened by your dedication and focus on your self-development, on how you are bettering yourself and how you are going towards your goals. This individual could be very threatened by the fact that you are very ambitious, you're very free-spirited, that you have love in your life. This is not part of the plan for this individual because they want to see your world crumble. I feel like, this person has either interfered in a romantic connection, or they are hoping that a romantic connection that you are in falls apart. This person is very manipulative. They have used the art of manipulation to manipulate maybe you in the past or others to get close to you and to find out about your life and what's going on. For some of you, this could also be someone that you were in a relationship with, or it could be someone that you work with. I feel like this person has no boundaries, no morals. This person is dedicated on, destroying others that they think, are doing better than them. This person wants to be on top. This person is highly focused on, being and doing the best. There's nothing wrong with being competitive, but this person likes to cast illusions over others. So I feel like this person can make people believe that they're one way when in actual fact this person is very manipulatively dangerous. This individual is very fixated on you. For some of you, this person could be in love with you, and this person may feel like deep down they can't have you. So because they can't have you, they are very possessive of you and your energy, and they will seek to destroy anyone that they feel that has your attention or your heart. This person can be quite aloof, detached, cold. This person can be very intelligent, but they use their intelligence for the bad. They lack inner peace, and they feel threatened by your sense of inner peace with self. This individual is going to see you become extremely successful. I'm also feeling for some of you, you could gain some sort of fame and victory, but I'm hearing you are going to gain victory over some sort of adversary. You are in your self-love era and you're minding your own business. And I feel for some of you, Spirit is urging you to just focus on self. And because you're not reacting to this person's behavior, now, if this person has tried to set up traps for you, which I feel like they have done, because you're so focused on self, you have, not paid any mind to this individual, or not giving this person what they wanted. What they actually want is to see you downtrodden, is to see you upset, unhappy, is to hear about your woes and how hard you're finding life. But this person can wait a little bit longer for this news, because you are either going into a cycle of your winning season, or you've experienced some sort of luck, and this person is just unhappy to know that their plans have failed, and that the jail that they planned for you is the one that they are actually rotting in, or they will actually rot in.